What'd you say, Emo? Is that good broccoli? Good job, Emo. You're an amazing broccoli eater. Good job. Do you know what broccoli starts with? What letter broccoli starts with? Broccoli. What letter is that? Blake, do you know what letter broccoli starts with? Broccoli. Starts with B. Because B makes the sound Broccoli. What about your lunch? Are you not hungry today, Blake? Blake? Do you know what letter Blake starts with? Blake. Do you know what letter that is? It's the letter B. Blake. What about Emo? What does Emo start with? Emi. Yeah, what does Emi start with? The letter E for Emo. Good job using your fork. You got that broccoli in your mouth with a fork like a big boy. You very big boy. Good job with your fork, buddy. Nene. He loves that Nene. Nene much?
Yeah.
What about your broccoli? Broccoli.
Yeah. 2, 1.